Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Tyrone back with Tech Life. And T-Mobile once again is on the move as it comes to business and enterprise. So T-Mobile launches IoT Developer Kit, leveraging network as platform for innovation. So in its next step to unleash developers to innovate for wireless, T-Mobile is releasing its first IoT Developer Kit, now available through T-Mobile DevEdge, the company's developer platform. So, of course, in return, T-Mobile is hoping to gain business this way. They allow developers to develop on that platform, and then in return, T-Mobile hopes to gain business from allowing these developers to develop on the platform. They see how the network operates, they see how it works, and the kit seems to be quite premium. A all-functional, out-of-the-box kit, a complete software developer kit, access to free APIs, access to SMS messaging, and you see the rest. And I'll leave the article in the description down below. But the main focus here is to show developers that, hey, you can develop on our platform, you can use our kit, you can use our network, and develop for the future, whatever that may be. And then, of course, T-Mobile hopes to get that developer onto their ecosystem and into the network, as they can, of course, see up front that, hey, this network is really good, it's cutting edge, and we are able to develop what we want and like to develop on this platform. So this is good to see. This is really good to see from T-Mobile. This is something they didn't do during LTE. They were not at the forefront of any IoT. They just couldn't. They were playing catch up. They were playing from behind, not only on coverage, but on technology overall, right? They never got VoLTE 100% right. They did lag somewhat on densification in some areas. They didn't have low band, so that didn't help them. So, but now they have the assets. They're out in front in terms of the 5G technology and everything else. So now they want developers to develop cutting edge new software platforms, whatever it may be, on the platform. So make sure you guys leave all your comments in the comment section down below. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, follow my social media outlets. This is Tyrone with Tech Life, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.